Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pack a jar salad. Jar salads are wonderful, especially if you're really trying to eat healthy, because meal prep is the best way to eat healthy. You do it on the weekend, you chop everything up, you cook everything, and it's ready for the rest of the week. But salads are really difficult because if you dress them, they get soggy. That's where the jar salad comes into place. It all starts out with, you want to use a quart-sized mason jar. It's really important to have a wide mouth jar too, because it helps with not only getting stuff into the jar, it helps with getting stuff out of the jar too when you're ready to eat the salad. So the first thing you want to add to your jar is your dressing. You're going to add just about, this is going to be a larger salad because you're doing it in a quart-sized mason jar. So you're just going to add a couple tablespoons of dressing. So the next thing that you want to add to the mason jar are ingredients that are really not that absorbent. This is the perfect time to add in like chickpeas or beans because they're used to sitting in a can of liquid, right? They're not going to absorb the dressing that you're using. Cucumbers, carrots, bell peppers, these are other ingredients that are really great for this bottom layer. The next thing I would add in would be grains. So this could be brown rice or quinoa or farro. Any of those types of things would be a wonderful addition. If you're going to add in some sort of protein like hard-boiled eggs or, if you eat meat, chicken or tuna or whatever, you'd want to add that in after the grain. Then move on to some of the softer vegetables like tomatoes, those sorts of things. Now we're going to add in some onions. And so what you're really trying to do here is you want the salad dressing at the bottom so it doesn't actually interact with anything that might get mushy or disgusting while it's in the fridge. And you just want to keep adding in those layers, working from the most durable things like chickpeas up to the most fragile things like salad greens. And go ahead and just shove those in there too. And then just go ahead and put the lid on. There you have an easy, simple jar salad. Now, when you pack a salad this way, it'll probably last in the refrigerator up to 5 days, depending on the ingredients that you use. If you have softer ingredients in here, like say avocado, it's probably going to be on the fewer side of days. If you're using heartier ingredients, maybe a little bit longer. But that's all it takes to pack the perfect jar salad. So if you like this how-to, hey, give me a thumbs up. And also, if there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment down below or subscribe. I release new videos every single week. I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go eat my salad.